just giving you a little overview of all the different molds that I did use, kind of put them together and configured in a way that I thought would look nice. So here, no fancy brushes. I just use Walmart brushes or Lowe's brushes. Just work a little bit harder to get into those grooves, that's all. So base layer of paint is done. Now it's time to move on to the layers. So I painted more wax around the embellishments to give an old world look. So what I decided to do is make this frame into a shelf. So I'm adding a little piece of wood that I just cut. I'm gonna layer and blend the paint just like I did here on the frame on this shelf, and then I'm gonna put it all together, and I'll show you at the end. Stick around. So I don't normally use a brush to blend. I just use my hands and a dry cloth. I find it easier to manipulate the product that way. If you have a brush that you love and you find it easy to blend, go for it.